Good afternoon, students. Srividya. Srividya. Good afternoon, students.
Good afternoon.
Please respond.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. This is the 5th unit, cyber security organizational implications. This is the 5th unit. Here in global environment with continuous network connectivity, possibility for cyber attacks can emanate for sources that are local, remote, domestic, or foreign. They could be launched by individual or group. They could be casual probes from hackers using personal computers in their homes, handheld devices, or intense scans from criminal groups. This diagram shows cyber security perspectives. Here EU is the uh, European Union. European Union. Next one is PI is information that is or can be about or related to identifiable individual. It includes any information that can be linked to individual or used to directly or indirectly identify an individual. Next one is most information the organization collects about individual is likely to come under PI category if it can be attributed to individual. For example, PI is an individual first name or or first initial and last name in combination with any of the data. This is the data is the social. First one is social security number, social insurance number. Second one is driver's license number or identification card number. Next one is bank account number, credit or debit card number with personal identification number such as access code, security codes, or password that could permit access to an individual financial account. Next one is home home address or email address. Next one is medical or health information. Health information. Next one is insider threat is defined as the misuse or destruction of sensitive or confidential information as well as IT equipment that houses this data by employees, constructors, and other trusted individuals. Insider threats are caused by human actions such as mistakes, negligence, reckless behavior, theft, fraud, and even subtage. There are three types of integers, such as first one is malicious insider is motivated to advisable impact an organization through range of the actions that compromise information confidentiality, integrity, and availability. Second insider is careless insider can bring about data compromise not by any bad intention but simply by being careless due to accident, mistakes, and plain negligence. Third, third insider is tracked insider is a person who is tricked into lead to providing sensitive or private company data by people who are not truthful about their identity or purpose protecting protecting. Next one is insider attack example. Insider attack example 1. Here is hot hand Heartland payment system fraud. In case in a point is the infamous Heartland payment system fraud that was uncovered in January 2010. This accident This incident brings out the glaring point about seriousness of insider attacks. In this case, the concerned organization suffered a serious blow through the nearly 100 millions credit cards pro- compromised from at least 650 financial services companies. When card is used to make purchase, the card information is transmitted through payment network. Next one is attack example 2. Blue Shield Blue Cross. Another incident is the Blue Cross Blue Shield data breach in October 2009. The theft of 57 hard disks from Blue Cross Blue Shield of Tenance's training facility puts the private information of approximately 5 5,000 customers at risk in at least 32 states. The two lessons to be learned from this. First one is physical security is very important. Second one is insider threats cannot be ignored. Next one is what makes matters worse is the groups, agencies, entities connected with cyber crimes are linked. There is a certainly paradigm shift in computing and work practices with workforce mobility, virtual teams, social computing media, cloud computing services being offered. Shared rise is noticed in business process outsourcing services to to name few. Here, this diagram shows cyber crimes, the flow and connections, flow of the connections, flow and the corresponding connections. Here, the key message from the cyber crimes do not happen on their own or in isolation. Cyber crimes take place due to weakness of cybersecurity practices and privacy, which may be get impacted when cyber crimes happen. This is the privacy has four key dimensions. First, first key dimension informational or data privacy. It is about data protection and users' right to determine how, when, and to what extent information about them is communicated to other practices. Second key dimensions personal privacy. It is about content filtering and other mechanisms to ensure that the end users are not exposed to whatever violates their moral senses. Third key dimension communication privacy. This is as in networks where encryption of data being transmitted is important. Fourth key dimension territorial privacy. It is about protecting users' property, for example, the user devices from being invaded by undesired content such as SMS or email spam messages. The shift in computing brings many challenges for organizations. Some such key challenges here. Yes, here is show this diagram. This diagram shows security threats paradigm shift. Security threats paradigm shift. Here, the key challenges from emerging new information threats to organizations are. First one is key challenges. First one is industrial espionage. Here is there are several tools available for web administrators to monitor and track the various pages and objects that are accessed on their websites. Next one is IP IP based blocking. This process is used, used for blocking the access of specific IP addresses and domain names. Next one is IP-based clocking. Business are global in nature and economics are interconnected. Next one is cyber terrorism. Cyber terrorism refers to direct intervention of threats source toward your organization website. Next one is confidential information leakage. Here, insider attacks are worst ones. Here, an organization is protected for external threats by your firewall and antivirus solutions. Here, this is the topic. Here, this topic. This topic is the covered topic is cyber security organizational implication. This topic is covered in insider attack, insider attack example 1, insider attack example 2, to privacy has four key dimensions. Four key dimensions and the diagrams cybercrimes flow and connections. Flow and connections. Next one is key challenges from emergence to information threats to organization. These topics covered this one. This is the topic of cyber security organizational implications. This is the topic, today topic.